Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I'm recording a session for some AI tools. So as we know, right, in the day-to-day routines, AI tools are populating a lot and it is reducing a lot of work, right? So I designed some AI tool which will give you a lot of benefit, to your day-to-day activity. If you are having some work, you can use them somewhere, okay, which according to your requirement, and definitely that will help you a lot. Okay, so having a lot of AI tools, so we are starting with the one tools. As you know, right, there is one tool like ChatGPT that everyone is using. Other than that ChatGPT, we have some other tool as well that we are going to understand, right? ChatGPT also is a part of it, but we have some other tool as well other than that. Okay, so what is the tool that we are going to understand? The first tool that is called Merlin Chrome extension. So Merlin is one type of Chrome extension that is used to summarize article, videos and blog. How does it summarize? Let's do understand. Okay, so I'm opening the Chrome. So what we have to do first, actually it's a Chrome extension, right? Merlin. So you have to go here and search Merlin Chrome extension. Okay, when you will get it, you have to click on the first one only, like Merlin Ask AI Research, something like that. Okay, click on it and here you can see right now I already added in my browser. If you do not have, right, so you will get their add into your Chrome, and after clicking it, right, it will directly add in your Chrome browser. Okay, so how does it help you actually? How does it help you, that we are going to understand. So Merlin is not like a separate site or something like that. It is a plugin only, so that will directly add with your Chrome. Okay, how we can use them, let's understand then. So let's say I'm opening a one YouTube. Okay, let's start with the YouTube. Okay, so I have, let's load it. Okay, so suppose it is my some videos. Okay, now suppose it is my video which is having a lot of some size. Let's say it's a video, right?
Hello friends.
Now in this video having some kind of 30-minute, 40-minute or 20-minute, something like that, right? Any video I'm saying like that. Okay, so I want to know that what is a content, because I don't have that much patience like to listen this video completely. I want to know that what they are going to cover on it in terms of content, right? So what should I do here? So here we have option, right? Inside your query, enter your query. So what I'm asking, what is the key inside this video? Okay, you can type it, right, or you will get the suggestion as well. So I want to know that what is covering inside this particular video, right? When I'm click on the key inside, right, I will hit the enter. It started the analyzing. It will take some time. So you can see here now whatever I have covered in this video, right, I am getting all the content. What is the inheritance? Hey, are there key insights inside the definition of inheritance, read word analogy, class hierarchy, employee class example, encapsulation, access to the parent properties. That means everything which I've covered in the 23 minutes, right, I got it that in a simple points only. So that is one of the powerful Chrome extension that is generated by the AI to get to know like what is the video. If you do not want to watch that complete video, right, you want to get the summary of the video, right, what are the key insights of it, you can get it with the Chrome extension, this Merlin Chrome extension, right? That is the one thing, right? Other than that, if you have some document as well, right, if you want to get summarize the document, that is also you can do it. How we can do it? Let me open into a new tab, right? So let me ask something here like some report. Okay, give me a report of mutual fund, something like that, mutual funds. Okay, mutual funds from last 1 year, Okay, when you will type it, right, you will get some kind of documents. Let's say it's just having some mutual fund report, right? Just stop on it. Now it is too long, right? It is something like that, right? Or here you want to know, suppose any of the report like HSL, FC, you can find any of them, right? It is a written something, some content, right? Or it could be some here we are getting some this data format, right? That was also we look at. Let's summarize some document actually. Okay, so what I will do here, I will ask some research paper. Okay, suppose research paper for education, something like that. Okay, so I will just open that first one. So here we can get some many things. Okay, artificial intelligence is something like that. That's a too much long content, right? I don't want to read it completely. I want to get the result of it, some bullet point. So what I will do here, I will select that particular content, and here I will select Merlin, ask AI to research, and click on the give context to Merlin, right? So here what I want with this, I want summary in 3 bullet points, something like that, or it could be any 3 bullet points. Okay, so when we hit it, right, whatever the content you have selected, right, that will give a complete summary of in 3 bullet point. You can see it started and it give me an answer in the 3 bullet point only. What is AI in education, generative AI, the roles and practical applications. So that way you can get to know, like if you have any research paper, huge research paper, you don't want to interested to read completely, right? You want to get some summarize, you want to get some bullet points, right? So that Merlin Chrome extension will help you a lot to get this kind of result, right? If you have some other block, that block also you can paste them directly, select them, and you can get that result accordingly, right? So this is the one of the powerful Chrome extension tool for AI generator, it is, right? So that you can get the summary from your YouTube video, or you can get from this content as well, right? So that is all about the Merlin Chrome extension, okay, used to summarize article, videos and blog, right? Next we have a like NotebookLM. What that does it do? It is used to find summary from the videos, report and content. What does it means? The same kind of things we did with Merlin also, right? But here what we will do, we will attach all multiple contents in a one place only. We can attach report, we can attach videos, we can attach content also, right? How it will do? Let's open it. So again, it is a one kind of site only. So let me open here NotebookLM. Okay, notebooklm.google. You can open it. So here you can say that it will directly give me notebooklm.google, and here I can try NotebookLM. So here you can see I am getting option like create new, right? So I will click on the create new here. I mean, it may be possibility if you log in first time, right, it will ask for the registration, sign in or sign up, something like that, right? So you can do it. There will not be any issue on it. So what it is asking? It is asking upload resource. Do you have any content which you want to upload? We can upload them with that, right? So let's say here I want to upload something. So upload a source. What I can upload? I have one report which I want to upload. Okay. So let me open this download. So let me go with some report. Okay. So here I uploaded some report. What I want to do, I want to know some kind of, let's open what is present under that report. So some kind of content we can put there actually. So go to the download. So what is present inside it? So it is having some kind of Bajaj Finance, right, where it is providing some details of Bajaj Finance Limited, right, investor presentation, something like that. So that report I have, right? So this report I want to get to know what is present inside it, right, in the brief, right? So then what happened, right? First I took that endpoint, that URL of it, I mean that page itself, and second, suppose I have some video as well with regarding the same, right? So let me open the video as well. So that could be like some Bajaj Finance investor, something like that. Bajaj Finance personal loan or investor, something like that. You can get something like finance investor, investment plan, something like that. Okay, so I can get some of the video, any of the video I can take it. Let's say I should take this one only. Okay, so first what I did, I took that
हर इन्वेस्टर के
now let's take this URL, okay? So that URL also we can attach. So first what I did, I uploaded the report, right? Report is uploaded. Now what happened, right? I add this, somewhere we do get option called YouTube. So link, if we have any YouTube link or any website link, that also we can do it. Now let's attach with the YouTube link. So I have one link. Actually, if you have multiple resources, right? You have a document file, you have a YouTube, right? Insert. Now whatever, you have some content as well, which is shared maybe by your manager or by your some other person, right? That also we can do it. So I can go here, discover what I want to do. Let's look some kind of blog as well. So like Bajaj Finance, something like that, right? Let's open that, and I have some content, okay? Here I'm giving some kind of examples only, right? You can pick any one of them. So I think that will not be right one. Let's say pick this one here. Not like this. So let's say this is article, okay? This is some article which I already have, which is shared by some other person, okay? So first I attach the document, second I took the video link, and third I am attaching something which is I already have, submitted. Now everything is submitted, right? Three things submitted: PDF submitted, YouTube video submit, link submitted, and content submitted, right? Then, okay, import that all content, it is there, right? Now what happened, right? I want to know like what I want summary, something like that, okay? Or I want to analyze this something. I want to summary in 4 points, right? Or I can say like give me some insight, okay? Give me some insight of all the content, okay? Whichever I have attached, right? I want to know all that inside of this, all the content, right? When you will hit the enter, right? You have many resources, 12 resources, something like that, right? So it will start analyzing all that video, PDF, okay? So see here, it is giving some insight of it. You don't have to go and look in different places, read it. In the one place, in your PDF file with your video, with your all the different blocks information, you are getting here, right? Overall, like profit, okay, total revenue. So whenever you have to perform some kind of research from the multiple places, right? It could be from YouTube video, it could be from text content, it could be from any link, right? We can collect all the data and put that into one place, and it will give you complete summary of that, or whatever you want to get from that. So that is the use of NotebookLM. NotebookLM is also one of the AI tool, right? Which will help you to get information from the multiple resources in one place, right? So we can attach them and we can get them, right? So here Merlin Chrome extension also use same, but here we have like a different way, like article, video, blog. Notebook also use the same kind of things, where we have like different places where we can add some content and we can get the summary of it, right? Next one is called screener, right? Screener is what used to generate the report. Like for example, that report which I generated here, right? This one, I don't have anything, right? How can I get to know that what I want to research? So if you do not have anything, right, you can open the screener, and the screener itself will help you to get that report. Let me open that screener. Yeah, it is a screener here. Suppose it is a screener.in, right? So when you will go and open it directly, right? Let me open it in the different tab. Okay, so it will give you like this kind of interface. Okay, so what it is asking, add companies or add components, something like that, right? Core watch list. Here we have like many options. So what I will do here, not like companies, here I have two screens, right? So that screens, create a new screens. So first you have to click on the screens and create a screen. So here you have to give the queries, what you want to look, right? So what I can give here, I can give like, give me a report for data finance, right? Give me a report of data finance or anything, whichever you want to search, you can search here, right? So it will give you a lot of reports. So that whichever you are convenient, right, you can open that, and that will help you to get the report. So it is giving that complete report of that. So whenever you are thinking you have to get some report in terms of PDF, and if you want to analyze that, right, so that report we have, right, but report I'm not interested. It is suppose like many pages report is there, right? Suppose 18 to 17 page report is there. I'm not interested to read this all 17 pages. Then what I will do, I will attach that with the Merlin, this NotebookLM, right? And I can get the summary in simple like that. Clear it? So that way we can get, if you want to get some record, we can go with the screener.in tool, right? Site only, which will help you a lot on it, right? So a screener used to generate a report. Whenever you have to, if you want to generate the report, then we can generate the report, right? Next, one of the important part, ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is also one of the tools that will help you to find some content and generate the image, right? How does it work? Let's look on it, right? So let's say I'm going to the ChatGPT. So in the ChatGPT, it's the official website, ChatGPT only, right? So here it will again ask you maybe sign up or no sign up, something like that, right? So here we do write some prompt, right? Let's say I want to know about GenAI, right? About GenAI. What is the GenAI? So when you will type in it, right? So here it will give some content of the GenAI, right? What is the GenAI? Generative AI, type of artificial intelligence, right? It will give a lot of content to you, right? So here we have a like option where we can get the content directly, right? Or it will give you the option, right, to generate the image as well. So with the help of ChatGPT, we can get the content, anything, whichever you want. I will record one more session for the prompt as well. What is the meaning of prompt? Like we have typed something here, right? So I want to know the about GenAI. What is this? This is called the prompt only. So how does it work? How do we design the prompt? I will make a new video for it, which will also help you to type the right prompt actually. Okay. And if you want to generate image as well, right? That also we can do it, right? So what I can type here, like act as a senior, okay, like UI UX designer, okay, UI UX designer, and give me what I can say that give me a image, okay, give me an image of master class or workshop. Give me image of the workshop, right? What could be the workshop? Learn AI tool kind of, say free. Okay, so if I will type it, right, see what does it do. Here I just simple whatever I want, right? Whatever I'm thinking, you can just type it, and after that what happen, it will generate one image. It will take some time. It is started thinking on it. Okay, now it is started loading. So now it will take time. You can see here it generated me image, learn AI tools free, that workshop, right? So that way if you have anything, right, you can see how much good image it is. If it is required, you can download as well. We can download it, okay? So that way you can generate the image, you can get the text information, or if you have any image, right? Let's say I have an image and I want to know that some kind of content inside it, okay? Or I want to generate some kind of PPT for it, right? So let me do one thing. I will add image here, okay? So I have one image which could be like, suppose this one only, capture 2, right? So what I am writing here, like design PPT for attached image. See what we will do after it. If I write design PPT for the attached image, it started thinking. So it is not creating a PPT, but it is giving me some kind of content only, right? In case of text only, right? So I'm getting the text, but PPT to generate, right, we have one more kind of tool, cloud.ai, that we will look later on. So right now what happened, right, I have one image only, right? So with the image I was getting the content only, so it is giving me a complete text, right? Image, it is converting into a text format, like what is the package, what is the base class, child class, something like that, right? That all information they have provided, but it is not generated PPT. So I will tell you different tool for that. Okay, so that is all about ChatGPT. We can find the content, we can generate the image, or we can get, if you want if you want to convert text of your image, that time also you can use the ChatGPT, right? So these are the some use case of ChatGPT you can use according to your requirement, okay, whenever you want, right? So that is the next tool, ChatGPT, right? Now there is one more tool called cloud.ai. That is also one of the important tool, cloud.ai. How does it work? Let me show you that. Okay, so the same thing which I did with the ChatGPT, I will do with the cloud.ai. Okay, so let's open the cloud.ai here. Cloud.ai. Okay, why it is not giving cloud.ai? So it will give me this kind of interface. No, it is something else. Cloud.ai, do I have that extension or not here? Yeah, yeah, it is there. Cloud.ai. Okay, so when you will open it, right, it will give me this kind of interface. Hey Irfan, something like that. Okay, because I already signed up, so that may also ask you to sign up, right? So the same thing which I did with the ChatGPT, right? Let's do the same here. Let me upload the file. So that file is there, right? Now what I will do here, I will ask generate PPT for the attached image. You can see here it started the HTML code typing parallelly, right? So this code is only help to generate the PPT. See here, it is started the typing, continually it is started, right? I have a single image, and if you have n number of images, you can attach multiple images as well. If you have a text, you can attach the text as well. With that also we will look how to generate a PPT with the text also. So see here, this time that PPT is ready, right? If you want, you can use them. We have a different kind of pages, but if you want to copy it, that also you can do it, but the code will copy in the form of HTML only, right? So what we have to do, we have to copy it, and we have to just go to this notepad, simple notepad, right? And just paste it, and you can save it with any name. Okay, so let me save it with the like it is going to the desktop only, right? Like myfile5.html, right? Suppose myfile5.html, I can go to the myfile5.html. It is in the browser only, right? myfile5, yeah, I can open that into a Chrome. Suppose open with Google Chrome. You can say that I have PPT ready. You have to just navigate it. Okay, that okay, you can see here it is giving me a lot of multiple inheritance in Java. Now this is in my system, right, in the form of HTML file. So that all have designed by the this one cloud.ai only, right? So if you have any images, something like that, if you want to attach, and if you want to get PPT of it, right, you can get it. See here, it is giving each and everything with colorful. How much effort, how much time it has reduced to of mine, right? So that's why that AI tool are too much important. You have to learn it in the right now, and people are asking, actually in industry also people are asking to go with the hands-on with these AI tools, right? So hope you got to know that how this cloud.ai does work. We have many other uses as well, right? It has generated images, code for it, right? If you have a text, you can generate the PPT for the text. You can use as a ChatGPT as well, this cloud.ai. Cloud.ai is also one kind of tool which will also use for the same kind of purpose, right? So that is a cloud.ai, right? And then we have one more tool like Julius. So Julius is what? It is for AI data analysis tool, right? So if you have some data and if you want to analyze that, right, in the form of graphs, right, then we do use Julius for it. So AI data analysis tool, it is used to analyze the data set in the form of graph. How does it do that? For that you should have one Excel file, right? And that having some content, then all it will do analysis of it, right? How does it do? Let's open the Julius ones. So I already have a extension of it. So Julius.ai, right? So here it is ask you, right? Enter the Julius, yeah. So here it will ask you what you want to do with it, right? So suppose I want to analyze some data, right? So what I will do, I will click on this plus symbol. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to download one, I can say like any file, right? If you want to experience that, right? So what I will do here we have like some diabetic data, okay? Diabetic data from the GitHub, you can get it. Diabetes data GitHub, something like that, okay? Diabetes data GitHub. So you will get that some PIMA diabetics data set, right? You can go there and you have two options here like PIMA Indian diabetic data set, right? I think that could be in the CSV format somewhere. I already have it, right? So you can directly go and search that and you will get it, right? So I already have it. You can get any other resource as well. From there you can download it, right? So what it is ask you, click on the plus, upload the file. Let's upload it. Okay, so that is from the download only. So go to the download and here we have like this one, diabetic data. Okay, it is in download only. So it is having a PIMA Indian diabetic data sets. So that is a one CSV file of mine. Okay, this is the diabetic data.microsoft Excel, right? So I will get it. And what is present inside it? Let's open that as well, right? So here we have like this Excel format. What is present inside it? So inside that we have like different type of information like glucose, blood pressure, skin touch, insulin, BMI, diabetes, age. So in which particular age we have what particular diabetes kind of things, right? And what is the outcome of it? So this all information we have, right? So let's research on it on the some basis. I want to make some graph and I want to analyze this data on the some basis. So I want to know that like how many persons having a diabetes which is greater than suppose 30, right? So which is a person who is having a age 30 and who is having a diabetes kind of information, and right, I want to analyze that in the form of graph, right? So what I will do here, I will go and here you can see it is readed all my Excel file. Now here what I will do, I will pass, right? Give me a 5 graphs, something like that. Give me a report. Give me a report of a person who are having a diabetes, right, which is greater than like suppose 30 year, where, or I can say like simply, right, which is having a, what is that a column we have, age, right? So age greater than 30, something like that, right? Generate graph as well, generate 5 different graph. Okay, let's see what does it do. It is started analysis now. So it is started, it has written some Python code because yeah, it is work on the top of the Python only, right? So whatever graph it is generated will generate, that graph will be generated in the form of Python only. So behind that it will write some, see here it is writing some kind of condition. Who is a like developers, right? They can get to know that how it is getting like conditions with age greater than 30, something like that, right? See here it is generated different graphs for me. See, it has generated how many graphs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I asked 5 graphs, so it has generated 5 different graphs for me. Right? If it is required, we can download them as well. Right? Whichever is required, we can download. Right? We can download them and we can paste them directly in the Excel itself. Right? Wherever is required, we can paste them directly in the Excel itself. Right? So let me go to the download here, and here we have a different graphs. Right? So let me copy them. It is having a different chart, right? Chart 2, chart 3, something. So let me copy them and I can paste them directly in the Excel right here. It is not working. Okay, we can insert them directly from that. Okay, that was a different thing that we'll look on it later. Okay, so right now you can see here, right, that graph is generated, right? 5 different graphs are generated, and if it is required, you can download them as well, and you can insert that in the form of image as well. We have image insert option, right? Inside that insert here we have a like picture, so we can directly get, and we can get from this download here, right? Suppose it's the chart 2, right? So that chart 2 will become here, right? If you want to insert some other picture, right, like chart, so you can see here all the chart are coming here. So the data had analysis on the basis of my conditions, and it is generated in the form of graph as well. And the graph I have attached in this. So if you have a like huge amount of data, right, and if you want to analyze this data on the form of graph, right, so you have to simply use this Julius only. So Julius is the one tool which will help you to analyze the data, right? So you can put your content in the form of Excel or in the form of .csv or .xls, right? And you can directly get and generate your graph report, right? It's too easy. If you want to do it right, manual, right, take a lot of time, lot of effort this will take. But here you can see that they're doing in a simple only, right? So that is one of the use. Julius is one of the AI tool which will use to generate some analysis, right? On the basis, I mean, it is AI data analysis tool. It is used to analyze the data sets in the form of graph, right? Next we have like Genspark, right? Make the AI agent to automate the job search process. So if you have a like resume, right, and if you want to search the jobs with specific areas, right, then we can go and use with Genspark. How does it work? Let's look on it, right? So go here and search Genspark, genspark.ai. So here suppose I have some resume, right? So let me attach one resume here, browse from the local. So it is under this picture format. So I have one ABC resume. Okay. This resume is suppose in Java field or any other field look like that, right? So what I'm looking here, I need to find some jobs here. So let me write the content also for the same, like for example this. So what I have to do here, there's a prompt for me. So it is asking search for high paying data analytics, not like data analytics, that should be like for Java jobs. Suppose this resume is on Java only, right? Java jobs in Bangalore and Mumbai, which is paying suppose 25 LPA, which is paying 25 LPA. Find jobs only which are relevant for my resume, which is attached. So I attach the resume, right, which is attached, and make me a PDF file containing all the details of the company, the jobs and the application links for the same, right? So see how much things it is doing for you. It is taking your resume and then it is generating generate some PDF. So let's do what does it do, right? Let me enter it first. I think it is asking some paste something, right? It is not generating for it. I think it's paid only. I think I used already before that, so I did not pay for it, right? So that's why it is not generating. But yeah, it does generate. Do I have any kind of tab where I use that? Let me open that as well. It does look like that only, right? Yeah, it is here only, right? So see here, I use that. The same information I use that. I think maybe here I paid that free of this, right? So that's why it is not giving for me. So here you can see it is giving me a lot of information regarding this high paying job, something like that, right? Job description, key responsibilities, right? Whatever it is, right? Whichever it is. So if you want to look the jobs, you can go with this genspark.ai as well, right? If you want to take it credit, you can get it as well, right? So that is all about the AI tools. So we have learned so far how much. Let's summarize this all, right? So first we have seen Merlin Chrome extension, right? Then we have seen NotebookLM, then we have seen Screener with ChatGPT, right? And then Cloud.ai, Julius and Genspark. So these are the some kind of very popular AI tools which will help you a lot to reduce your day-to-day work. Whenever you want to generate the PPTs, right? You want to read the content, you want to analyze the content, right? Or you want whatever you want, right? Like analyze the data, read file, read content, something like that. For that way you can, for that purpose you can use this AI tools. That is all about that, guys. You are getting it free. You don't have to pay anything, right? Just watch it. Okay. And many of the organizations are asking too much charges for this, giving this information about this AI tools, but that is free for you. You can watch it. And if you like the video, guys, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.